feels like AI is a buzzword these days. Everything in the market these days is packaged with the tag AI. And honestly speaking, I won't be surprised if I see something called AI candies or something like AI chips in the supermarket. That distant future is not that far away. Hopefully not. But let's see. But our topic is how AI can help us with marketing. So we'll just stick to that for now. So if you add AI to your marketing stack the way most people do, I'm pretty sure you don't get smarter marketing. All you get is a new form of chaos packaged with a robotic accent. Same happened to me. Been there, done that. I have made way too many mistakes and a lot of mess ups. Learned everything in a hard way, but it was really fun to learn everything. And still, I am messing up. I'm making a lot of mistakes, and it is fun still. You can read it on my face. But the name of the game is to learn from our mistakes and do better with every repetition. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to integrate AI to your current stack. It can be marketing related or it can be productivity related, anything. The core is almost the same, only the tools differ. I'll show you how you can do it without replacing everything in your stack by using a very simple framework that I use with my clients. Hello people, if you're new here, I am Jan. I am a student marketer here in Finland and I am trying to build my own marketing agency, Arkinfini, here in Finland. And it has been a bit over 3 months since I started working with my first client. And since then, I have scaled a teeny tiny bit more and started working with a few more clients. So everything that I will be sharing with you people here today in this video is coming from my own experiences and my own mess ups that I did during handling these client works and through my own learning phase. So enough with the intro, let's straight dive into the sauce. So at first we have to identify the core, the problem itself. And then we have to come up with the tools and build the workflow itself. Most marketing stacks are already a Frankenstein monster. Google Docs, Canva, Meta Ads, a CRM software, maybe Notion, maybe Google Sheets. It's already a chaos itself. We all know that. Then the new shiny object shows up in town, the AI. And people start doing all these things, asking it for generating random captions, creating random ideas. And as we have a lot of options in hand, we tend to try 10 tools in 10 days. Maybe more. But the real thing is integration is not about adding more tools. AI tools should reduce friction from your workflow, not create more tabs, not at all. So if your marketing feels scattered, it's probably not a motivation problem. I would say it's a system problem. So here's how we integrate AI as a layer, not as a replacement. The framework itself is very simple. It consists of only 3 steps. And in my opinion, we all should integrate AI in these 3 steps. If you skip step 2, which I did, you will waste weeks, trust me. Step 1, your stack. List all of your tools, what you're using right now. For example, website, CMS tool, your email, your social handles, your ads platform, your CRM software, what you use for analytics, tools you use for designing your creatives, and softwares you use for documenting everything. For example, Microsoft Word or Google Docs or whatever, you get the drift. Step 2, the flow. I would say this is the most important step while integrating AI into your stack. Just map in your mind, or maybe you can draw it on a piece of paper that I do all the time, that how does work really move in your system? How does work from point A, the ideation, moves to point B, the delivering phase? The way that I integrate AI into my stack is by evaluating my own flow. So it goes like this: idea, brief, asset, approval, publish, measure, optimize. Now step 3. So if you think it through, in step 2. Step 3 is gonna be very easy. Step 3 is all about adding the AI. For instance, the AI tool required to fulfill the task. I would suggest add AI tools only to the tasks which repeats or decisions are slow. My personal simple rule is AI should do one of 4 jobs: write, summarize, route, or recommend. I would say these 4 jobs are really self-explaining. So I will not go deep on these in this video. So if the AI tool is not doing one of these 4 jobs, then I would say it's just entertainment and we are wasting money. Now let's plug AI into the 5 highest leverage points in almost any marketing stack. Number 1, research and insights layer. The goal here is to reduce the noise as much as possible. The inputs that you already should have in hand are customer emails, DMs, reviews, comments, call notes, post from your competition. The AI's job here is to summarize themes, find repeated objections, and turning messy inputs into content angles. For example, you can ask the AI like this: give me the top 7 customer objections from these notes and rewrite them as headline hooks. This alone can turn "I don't know what to post" into "I have 30 posts ready." Doesn't that sound amazing? Yes, it does. Number 2, strategy and planning layer. The goal here is to turning ideas into executions. Your AI tool must help you to go from idea to plan as fast as possible with content pillars, weekly content plan, and campaign structures. You can ask the AI like this: turn this offer into a 7-day content sequence: awareness, trust, proof, CTA. Cool. Now we can move from thinking to making. Number 3, production layer. The goal here is speed and consistency. The things that your AI tool should create for you are video outlines, hooks, scripts, caption variations for different platforms, email drafts, landing page section drafts, maybe your blogs, if you're into blogs, of course. One very important guardrail that you have to keep in mind: that your voice is the brand. AI should only draft, but you should be the one who is steering all the time. Make your AI tool your typing speed. Okay, I have said it. You can code that. One more thing I would add to this: if your content feels generic, it's not because AI wrote it. It's because your inputs were generic. Let that sink in. Number 4, distribution and repurposing layer. The goal here is to feed many channels with one content. Here, your AI tool must turn long-form video into short clip ideas plus timestamps. It should also be able to turn your scripts into captions and threads and emails. And if you're again into blogs, it should be able to turn your blogs into LinkedIn posts and carousel texts. For example, you can tell the AI like this way: give me 8 short form clip hooks from this long form topic and a CTA for each. Now we publish, but the money is usually in following up. So number 5, CRM and follow-up layer. Here the goal for your AI tool is to make sure that your leads stop ghosting you. Yeah, now I would say we are pushing the AI tool a bit too much. Maybe too much pressure on the lad. But in this case, your AI tool should be able to summarize your sales calls, draft follow-up emails, create proposals, and categorize leads by intent. You can ask the AI to do it like this: summarize this call into goals, pain points, objections, next steps, and a follow-up message. These 5 layers covers 80% of AI integration for most stacks. Now let's talk about how we can glue everything with AI tools without rebuilding your whole stack. It's a very common thing among us that whenever we think about integration, we think of buying into a huge new platform or something like that. But I would say integration is mostly about where the information lives and how it moves. And the rules applies from the smallest of systems to the most complex systems out there. My operations are quite simple, straightforward when it comes to my marketing agency Arc Infini. My systems are quite simple and not too complex compared to all the other established marketing agencies and similar businesses. But when it comes to integration of a new tool like an AI tool, I would say the core is kind of similar. So I have come up with 4 levels of AI integrations that we can implement to our day-to-day tasks, and these can be applied to any field. They are not really constrained in marketing field. So I would list them from the easiest to the most advanced ones. So the first one is manual prompting. This is the easiest. It's just whenever you have a task, you just write it to the AI tool or dictate it to the AI tool. Or if you have a database of prompts that you maintain somewhere, for example, a Google Sheet or a Notion database, you copy paste those from those databases to your AI tool, or you are maintaining some kind of templates or something like that. So that I would refer as manual prompting. The friction to this is that if you are repeating a task maybe every day or on a weekly basis, then you have to do prompting manually every time. Personally, I find that very challenging. So, which leads us to stage 2, that is templates inside your existing tools. For example, you have a Notion database or Google Docs setup or Google Sheets full of prompts or templates that you reuse on a weekly or daily basis, and you're using those by connecting your AI tool with these tools and using them coherently. Personally, I am at this stage. I have crafted and connected all my tools to my AI tool. I have built an environment inside my AI tool, and it has all the knowledge, all the context about me, about my business, and everything. But still, stage 3 is exciting. Simple automations. I am a big fan of NA10. I love using it. And there's softwares like Zapier and Make. Previously, I used NA10. It can automate a lot of stuff, but it can get a bit technical. And because I am still at a very small scale, I don't really need automations at the moment. But I have my eyes on it, and I am teaching myself how to use NA10 properly. I am still learning and it will take time, but it can get a bit pricey because all the automations, all the triggers and everything, they work on an API basis, API call basis. So everything is charged individually. So the more the complex the automation is, the pricier it can get. So I am not looking into it right now, but that's an option as well. And stage 4, that's the most exciting and the buzzword these days. Everyone is going crazy over this. And as you have guessed it already, the agentic workflows. At this point, I am nowhere near understanding agentic workflows. I can't make them, I can't build them. I just drool over them on YouTube and everywhere, but someday I will get them. I would say I don't still have enough clarity about the whole thing, about the whole AI thing, how it works, and how agentic workflows will benefit my workflows. So I am learning about that. And someday, yes, I will get them. So I would say from my perspective, it's quite simple. Start manual, then standardize, and only automate the things, the tasks which repeats. Okay, we have yapped a lot today. So let's wrap it up for today with a quick recap. So today we learned how to integrate AI tools with our existing marketing stack by adding it as a layer basis across 5 points: research, planning, production, distribution, CRM, and reporting. So if you like this video and if you like the vibe that I am trying to go for, please do subscribe for the next one. And please drop a comment with your current stack, the tools that you are running, where you feel the bottleneck. I would love to hear all those and have a chat. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you guys on next one. Till then, peace. My God. It's literally 3 a.m. on the clock and I am recording. The grind is on.